give him some credit, because he's the only one with the balls. He's the only one with the gonads, or he's the only one dumb enough to actually get in the ring. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Get him back, get him back. Get him, whoa, whoa, hey, hey. Come on, you want in? You want in, huh? Get that thing on. Come on, get him out of here. Get that schlep out of here. Len, tonight, TLC. Whoa, 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 come on. Whoa, you want some? I'm right here, brother. Come on in. Len, I know you ain't the brightest light on the tree. I know you ain't the sharpest pencil in the box. But even you, after tonight, is going to figure out that you should have never signed that contract to step into the ring with the most from coast to coast. The man, the myth, the best world champion in the industry today, Jimmy Cash. And that's the fact. You want to say it? Jack!
There's no turning back now. This is what makes him.